come back on this poster. And again, for students in group A, you don't need to have this kind of poster. But students in group B, you need to prepare a poster like this. And for this one, a junior student in our department, she did this work. And for students, if you have no research project, you can select a journal article and transfer the article like this poster. Again, there are several parts. First part is the topic, and the second part is the authors and the affiliation, and you are the reporter. You can put your name underneath. For example, IHP student, Mr. blah 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 here. Okay, then the format is introduction, method, results, and discussion. And it may have different format. It's up to you. You can use it. If you any problem, please let me know. And okay, but for students in group B, you don't need to do this part. You need to write an essay, 300-word essay for 3 times. First one, you don't need to do any modification. Second one, try to generate an essay from ChatGPT or any AI applications. The third one, after we refer to the AI generated article, you modify your manuscript. So there will be 900 words for your homework. For group A. Is everything okay? Okay. No, if you have no problem, I can go ahead for this part. Okay, now here is the results. Because when I was a master's student, the professor reminded us what are results. What is the difference between results and discussion? And I still remember the professor said, results is an objective description on the data, on the results. You don't need to explain it. You just need to say the data. That is enough. That's enough. But in the discussion, you can put your opinion into the discussion. For example, we observed not many students in this campus drink sugary drink. And in a discussion, you can say, it could be less supermarket, less convenience stores, or less vending machines on campus or near campus. Thus, students has less chance to purchase those drinks. Okay, again, what is the results? Objective data. And you can organize the data into figures or tables like this. For example, here is the figure to average sugar intake from drinks students before and after coming to Taiwan. Before is the blue column. After they arrive in Taiwan, their color is red. And we can see, okay, for two students in Indonesia, the average intake of sugar is increasing. The 11 students from Philippines, okay, no increasing. But students from Vietnam, the average is decreasing. Okay, thus you can say those objective data as the results. And here is another result. Because we did a statistic analysis. For example, we compared the Japan, the data from the original country, the data when they arrived in Taiwan, and we conduct a parity test. The p-value is 0.8. What does it mean? Yeah, that's the Wednesday I told students when the p-value equals or less than 0.05. 0.005%. It means a big chance that those two groups of data are different. But now 0.8, it means 84%. They are the same. They are the same. No significant differences. Sure. And by the way, did you take the course of statistics?
No, I can't remember anything.
Don't worry, I don't remember either. But when I become a teacher at Kano University, I reviewed all textbooks and then okay, I realized the principles on the textbook. But when I was a PhD student, I took the course biostatistics. Fuzzy, fog, a lot of fog. I cannot say anything. But if I become a teacher, I have no pressure to attend the exams. And I come down, I study the text. Oh, not hard. I understand this. Okay, I can do this. So don't worry. And this image the t-test, p-value, as long as the p-value smaller or equal to 0.05, it means two groups are different. And we also conduct the one-way ANOVA, compare three groups. And in my course, I explained why I did not select this one. Because the sample number is too small. The sample number is at least n equals 3. That's basic requirement. But for those three countries, they did not fit the requirement. Thus, I did not select them into my analysis. Okay, then this part is about the results. Then let's check it. Okay. Then the next section is discussion and conclusion. It has been observed that most students took 30 to 40 minutes to finish this questionnaire, and it could be refined to shorten the time to answer the questions. For this study, we focused on the sugar from the drink. However, the added sugar can be from snacks, desserts, and sources, cooked food, meals, such like this. Thus, the results bring framework to understand the diet patterns of international students, but not a complete survey, And notably, 12 in 13 students showed that increasing in sugar intake from drinks. Please check figure number 4, like this. Like figure number 4, look like this. Because we compared when they arrived in Taiwan, the number of students, Japanese 1, Philippines 5, Vietnam 2, like this. Those students increase the intake of sugar from drinks. And it can be a chance that we can prepare appropriate learning materials to remind them too much sugar is not good. But there is good news, at least very few students over the 10%. That is the recommendation value from WHO. Okay? And here is a challenge we can explain. Okay, then in the end, we have a place about acknowledgement. During the survey, we acknowledge many people their help. Without their help, we cannot finish it. And we place this one. And also, we have additional part like this contact information, copyright and non-disposal. Okay. So I just briefly explained this poster. I hope all of you can have a poster that is based on your project research. Okay, so any questions? We still have 1 minute. If no more questions, we can dismiss now and see you next week. Okay, see you next week. Any question, come here and we can discuss.